Now, with Terra Luna Classic being one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the entire world right now, well, at least on Twitter, we've got 50,000 plus mentions just for the word LUNC. It doesn't include Luna Classic or any of the hashtags that are out there. People are discussing both bullish and bearish sentiment, and I believe that this is one of the best ways to gauge the at least short-term direction of an asset. It depends on how the community feels, because let's face it, at this point in time, at least until we get some utility or some burn proposals and stuff going on, Terra Luna Classic is a meme coin. And there's no better way to gauge a meme coin than the community that's supporting it. So that's what we're going to be talking about. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Today's the last day to get 6 free stocks. They should be cutting their anniversary promo off after that, and I don't know what it's going to fall down to, but 6 free stocks if you guys sign up today. And then if you guys want $50 in Bitcoin, you've got a link for Voyager down there. Make a $100 trade, you're getting $50 in Bitcoin, and you can actually earn up to 13+% interest just by holding your crypto on their platform. You don't have to stake it or lock it or any of that stuff. And you can buy Terra Luna Classic, which is what we're talking about. So if you guys do want a place where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got Voyager. But let's talk about this, because people are already, this is funny to me, people are already getting upset that the price is pulling back from 16,000 points per coin. Sitting around the 10,000, 11,000 point per coin mark, it is reaching these levels of support, and you can already go out there and see some of the sentiment that is bearish, talking about, oh, Terra Luna Classic is going to dump back to the pre-pump levels. This garbage is going back down to where it was before. And a couple reasons I think people are saying that is because they either missed out and they did not buy Terra Luna Classic in the first place. They did not buy it at the dip. Maybe they bought it at 10 cents, and it's been coming down ever since. Usually when people show their frustration, it's because they're emotionally attached to the amount of money that they've invested into an asset, and that money is down in value. Nobody complains about the trash when it is rising in price. Nobody complains when they're making money. Nobody complains if things are going good. Now, it's not even to say that things are going bad right now. There's been a couple hour pullback in Terra Luna Classic, and all it's doing is retesting these support levels that it just used as resistance to break out through. So we know that Terra Luna Classic had to break out of the 10,000 point per coin range. It touched 12,000. It broke 12. It touched 15. It broke 15. It touched upper 16s, and now it's pulling back, retouching 15, retouching 12, and using these levels of key support and resistance just like any asset would if it's being driven by technical traders. And guys, this is an excellent example of Terra Luna Classic and who's buying and who's moving the price right now. If you only had the lunatics that were out there buying, if you only had the lunatics that were holding Terra Luna Classic right now, you wouldn't see any pullbacks. You wouldn't see, you might not necessarily see any resistance levels on the way up, because people just continue to buy and buy and buy and never sell. Well, we've got people that are trading Terra Luna Classic, and they're using those technical levels to determine when to buy and when to sell. If you're a trader and you see that Terra Luna Classic is trending and moving, and you want to make a quick 50% profit, and you get in at 8,000 points per coin, and you see it run up to 12,000 points per coin, knowing that that is a level of resistance, of course, you're going to get out. You hit your goals, and then you say, oh, you know what? The next support level we have is 10,000 points per coin. If it drops back down to that, I'll get in, and I'll either ride it back up for another 50% gain, hit a 20% gain at 12,000 points per coin, and so on. And that's what's driving the decision right now, are the technical traders that are jumping in and trying to scalp a few profits here and there. And there's nothing wrong with 20 to 50% profits when you're trading. But with the overwhelming short-term sentiment bullish And the overwhelming long-term sentiment, bullish, between the people that are holding Terra Luna Classic, I do think that, you know, we've got some good gains ahead of us. And let me say that with caution, because as the price is testing these new recent highs, we're going to run into some levels. We've talked about them in the previous videos, but 22,000 is the major place to keep your eye on. If it breaks, if Terra Luna Classic breaks that 22,000 point per coin mark, there's no technical resistance left on the chart. We could see wide open spaces and a huge technical breakout with no technical resistance on the chart, and traders would be, I guess, willing and able to just run wild from that point. Now, it's imperative that we know people take profits. And it's nice to think that the lunatics that are out there supporting Terra Luna Classic have that longer term mentality and constantly say, well, I want to see Terra Luna at $1. I want to see Terra Luna at 10 cents. I want to see Terra Luna at a penny price point. And I truly believe that there are some people out there that are willing to hold through everything and anything to see Terra Luna Classic hit those prices. And they will absolutely support the price, whether it's on the whether it's going to the upside or whether it's going to the downside. And of course, like we say, with the majority of traders right now coming in, being on a technical basis, on a technical pattern, we have to expect them to take profits. So we have to expect some upswings and some downswings. I don't know if Terra Luna Classic tomorrow is going to break out of 22,000 and shoot back up to 2 zeros. I don't know if people are going to get tired quickly and take their profits and drop it right back down to 5,000 points per coin, where it was, I guess, slowly trending and settling down for the last couple of weeks. It all depends on market sentiment. It all depends on who's buying and who's selling and how long people are willing to hold and what their goals are. We have to remember that the overall cryptocurrency market right now is bearish. The overall cryptocurrency market is on the downtrend, with Bitcoin hitting $18,000, Ethereum hitting $1,000, you know, Shiba down around 1,000 points. The overwhelming trend is down right now. And it's very nice to see Terra Luna Classic breaking out and moving higher when everything else is moving lower. But just imagine what it can do when the sentiment turns bullish and investors are confident once again and willing to buy anything. Guys, I'm excited about the future. I do think that there are good things in store for us once the bull market returns. But hey, just be cautious and be careful, and don't be afraid to take some profits during this bear market as we decide where the bottom is. I want to know what you guys think, though. What are your price predictions, long-term and short-term, for Terra Luna Classic? Let us know in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull, $50 in Bitcoin on Voyager, and you can trade Terra Luna Classic there. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.